Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another live stream. If you've read the description, if you're looking for a tropical storm type of live stream, you are at the right place. Just give me a second. Give me just a second, guys. Alright, so let me get a few viewers on. They might not hear anything for a second because of the time delay, but today we are looking at a tropical storm that could be forming in the next 7 to 4 days, or maybe less. Oh shoot, I forgot to do one thing. Give me just a second, guys. Okay. Sorry, guys, I had to answer some text messages. I have to open chat on my phone real fast. Wait a second. Oh, jeez. Okay. We're starting to get some viewers in. So now, if y'all have read the description, so today we are basically going to talk about the tropical storm that could potentially hit Texas Texas and Louisiana in the next couple days here. Oh, there's the chat. Y'all can't see it, but where did my stuff go? That's weird. So we will be going to the 7-day models. You can see that it says a 90% chance. Right there at the very top, it says 90% chance. Western Gulf of Mexico showers and thunderstorms have increased this morning and associated with a broad area of low pressure located over the southwest Gulf of Mexico. This system is forecasted to drift slowly northwest. The environment conditions are expected to become conducive for an additional development of a tropical storm system. Her tropical depression is likely to form during the next couple of days as the storm moves generally northwestward. Jeez Louise. And then northward near or along the Gulf Coast of Mexico and Texas through the middle of the week. Interest along the western and the northwestern Gulf of Mexico should closely be monitored. Should be closely monitored in the progress. What the heck is going on? In the progress of everything that is going on at the moment. So we actually have 3 areas. Don't worry about those ones. I have to finish my thingy. Where'd it go? Did I even click on it? Y'all screen might go black for like a second. Hold on. Okay, should be back now. I just had it up there. Where'd it go? I need this open. That was weird. It didn't work for some reason. I'm trying to get my Epic Pen open so that I can show you a better description. This is kind of how it's looking right now on satellite after it loads onto the live stream because it is late for some reason. Well, that's weird. So yeah, this is kind of how it's looking at the moment. You can definitely see that there's some convective going on in that specific area. I don't see much rotation right at the moment, but it still has a 90% chance of forming. This could be a dangerous hurricane as everything kind of progresses more toward the future. This could actually be a Cat 3 at most. Models are not showing that for now, but it is still around 4 to 5 days until landfall, if it does happen. This is not a guaranteed thing to happen, but it does have a chance. Now, the models that I'm showing you is GFS, Global Forecasting System. I will show you all some stuff real fast. So if y'all look at the bottom of Texas where my mouse cursor kind of is, you'll see that the storm actually does progress and hits more of the Louisiana area. For some reason this model doesn't show it very good, so I'm actually going to go to a completely different thing here. Give me a second. Now if y'all have any questions, please ask me through a text message or the chat. Now, if you look down here, you can see that the storm does start to really form, and it kind of rides the coast of Mexico, and you can see how defined it gets as it hits Louisiana. I will go down here, and I will go to invest number 1. Alright, this will show you all a bit better now. Okay, so y'all can watch it better. You can actually watch it as it moves through. You can definitely see... Oh, my lord. You can definitely see that it starts to really get strong right before the impact of the Louisiana area. This could be a Cat 1 or maybe 2. Any questions that y'all have, please let me know. And this is what the satellite imagery looks like. It's going to be a bit laggy for a second. For some reason, this always lags my computer. There's the area right there. You can see that's starting to really try to spin now. There's a lot of inflow from 2 different directions, from more of the southwest east area, and then the southwest area that are kind of trying to spin it. Hold on, my Epic Pen is trying to load, but it is not. Okay. Okay, accepts. Next. Just trying to let this load real fast. It's just gonna take a second. It's gonna show y'all something real fast. Oh, okay, there it is. Alright, let's go back to what we were doing. Let me stop the animation real fast and reload it. Oh, it's already loaded. Okay. So our area is... I need... Oh, jeez Louise. There it goes. Okay, so this is the area. The boxes where this is. More realistically, it's around like right here. We do have a lot of inflow coming from Texas and a lot of inflow coming from the more of like the Caribbean Sea, which can actually kind of start spinning it. Yeah. Let's see. Base Upload. Which one's my best satellite I have for the most part? It's not really gonna be that one. I don't know. I don't really have many good satellites, which is kind of annoying. Oh, I mean that's okay, I guess. It's updating. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Y'all can definitely see the area now. I also can use my pen now. So, these little blobs right here that y'all. I screwed that one up. The little blobs that y'all can see are basically the very tops of the thunderstorms that will be making the tropical storm area. Man. Any questions that y'all have, or y'all want me to, anything that y'all want to know about it, I will try to help as best as I can to answer those questions. Convective divergent. Jeez. Okay, so the shear is saying that it is favorable to form for the most part, which is basically favorable means it'll form, like it has a decent chance of actually like making it. If I can go back to my scans. Okay, so this is one of my scans right here. So as we are looking at it, the ocean temperatures are still at 31 degrees Celsius, which is around 80 to 88 degrees, somewhere between there. Pretty hot temperatures for the evaporation to make all these smaller clouds. The only problem with this is that I have to keep switching screens, which is really annoying. So we've already looked at that. Yes. Okay, so we will be looking at the winds now. Oh, no, pressure. We're going to look at pressure real fast. So you can see the pressure definitely changes within 96 hours, which is not caused by the tropical storm. That is something else. Well, maybe, I don't know. It looks kind of weird. It looks close to the tropical storm, but it is not. Wait, yeah, maybe it is. Oh, wait, yeah, it is. Okay. These hours are very weird. So, yeah, I think I don't really have much right now, but this is kind of where it is. The pressure isn't showing you very good, so I'm actually going to go somewhere else to show you better pressures. Right here. We're going to go all the way back to the beginning of right here, and yeah, we're just going to like watch the pressure as it goes down. The little red numbers are what the pressure is at. So the lowest pressure that it seems to be getting to is 957, which is low-ish. It's not very high at all. Okay, I'm just gonna stop that screen. It looks very weird. But it does kind of seem like it could be a very strong system. It's obviously not guaranteed, but if you go to National Weather Service, which is what I use a lot, you can actually see tropical weather outlook and 7-day outlook. Now, of course, this isn't gonna show the very best of stuff, but yeah. So obviously that's going to always change. It can change direction into Texas, or it will stay on its track and just hit Louisiana. This is what the satellite imagery looks like from National Weather Service themselves. This is a pretty decent satellite. It's not bad. It's still better than Zoom, but so yeah, this is kind of just how the storm looks at the moment of how it's forming, which is going to be probably around here. You can see it all just kind of forming into like one big clump. You can also see a lot of inflow right here on the top. And you can see a lot of lower inflow of all of them kind of going up like that. Wait, does yellow show up better on this one? Yes, it does. So you can see a lot of inflow into these storms from the Caribbean and Texas, and kind of just from this system as well. Is it getting cloudy outside where I am? I have zero clue. Is it? Nah, I doubt it. There's no way. Oh yeah, no, we're good. I mean, it was for like a second though. Why do I keep doing that? Okay. So yeah, I don't have too much to say right now except for just watch this development area. If you don't watch, you could potentially just prepare for it. Don't be scared. Just be prepared. This will not be a 100% chance type of thing. It could completely miss or just die at any moment. It could always change. And if that does happen, I will make another video of it as well. Nobody's watching, so I think I'm just gonna probably end the video. Yeah, guys, I'm probably just about to end the video. There's nobody really watching. No. Oh, there's one person. Oh, that's good. How do I discard delay? That's confusing. Yeah, this is just pretty much satellite imagery. Any questions that anybody has, just ask me and I'll hopefully answer them. Let me just get off that. So our area is definitely still rotating, which is fine. It's, yeah, okay. So basically the pressure is dropping, which means that the storm is getting more strong per se. The pressure went from like 105 or 107 actually, or 1007 pressure, which is a little high pressure. It's nothing to be concerned about, but whenever the pressure starts to lower for a tropical storm or depression or hurricane or anything like that, that means it's actually getting stronger and it'll last longer. That is actually a true fact. You can search it up on Google or just ask me, and yeah, it's a true fact, I swear. But yeah, the whole Gulf of Mexico right now is just in a big cloudy mess. Like I've already said, be prepared. Do not be scared. This is not a huge deal until next week. Well, it is next week. It's Sunday, but yeah, just watch out for the storm. Any questions, I will gladly answer, or at least try to answer. But right now, we are still looking at the storm. Of course, this could turn and hit Texas or Louisiana. If y'all want to see the GFS models, please just ask in the chat, and I'll show y'all the models of where this hurricane could potentially go. Share this with other people. Share the stream if y'all can or want to. Yeah, there's what in the world just... Okay. Yeah, there's a pretty big area. There's still a lot of inflow going into it from the Caribbean. Oh, wow, that's way too big. What did I do? Just go back to normal. Thank you. Okay. So, yeah, pretty much this area, a lot of inflow coming from the Caribbean, and a lot from north. This is going to be cooler air that is coming from there. Yeah, so a lot more cooler air and more moisture. Yeah, moisture that's coming up from the south. I had to zoom out so y'all can see it better. But yeah, you can definitely see there's fire somewhere in these areas up there. That there's a lot of wind coming from the north and kind of just going into the area, and there's a lot of wind that's coming from the southeast going into it as well, and it's kind of starting to spin it. And then some other stuff that's kind of coming from very far up north, and there's just a lot of different wind directions that are all kind of going into this one general spot. It is definitely starting to rotate now. On the motors. The storm does look very disorganized at the moment. That'll change very quickly within the next few days or so. Pressure right now, it is at around 102, 103, somewhere between there. Yeah, let's go to here. I will show y'all the total amount of rain that y'all could potentially get from this storm. I really want to get out of the hurricane model, so hold on. Oh, there it is. Oh gosh, I literally just got it. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so this is kind of what the models are showing. So 102 pressure, which is, it's lowering still. Total rain, which I will be able to look at. Okay, total accumulation. So this will be the total rain from, I believe this is September 7th all the way up to September 24th. That's okay-ish amount of rain. Gulf of Mexico and a lot of the Florida and Georgia and South Carolina, and I can't remember what that state is, but those areas all got at least about 14 to 24 inches of rain within the bunch of days that were in September. About half the month of days left right now. You can see most of the rain is right there and right here. Now, if y'all been with me the whole stream, y'all can see that obviously this rain is from the tropical storm, and this is from a completely different system that we could probably talk about right now. If y'all want me to, we can talk about a completely different tropical storm system. If y'all want me to talk about that. If anybody's in the stream, if you want me to talk about the second possible area of tropical storm that could hit the East Coast, if you're going there for like vacation or something, I could probably tell y'all a little bit about that. And obviously, if y'all are just now joining, I can re-explain the tropical storm that's supposed to hit Louisiana and parts of Texas. If y'all want me to, just say yes in the stream for whatever one or two. One will be the tropical storm in the Gulf of Mexico, which is this one, and then the one for the East Coast, which is this one. So 1 or 2, which one? If y'all, yeah. They haven't seen it yet. Okay. But yes, this is the total accumulation from all of the rain and for Texas, Louisiana, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina. Yeah, these are all different areas. But yeah, this is gonna be a completely different story. If you want me to show y'all the tropical storm for the East Coast, please say 2 in the chat, or 1 for the one in the Gulf of Mexico. Whatever y'all want for me to talk about. If y'all are vacationing in the East Coast or y'all live in the East Coast, just tell me whatever y'all need to know about the tropical storm that could potentially hit the East Coast, or the one that'll hit the Gulf of Mexico, whatever one y'all need. Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna change this model real fast. That hurts my eyes. So You can definitely see the one in the Gulf of Mexico forms, and then after that, you can see another one forms, but it hits very late. So I can't really give much description for the second one then. Well, I guess the one that's supposed to hit the East Coast isn't actually going to be that strong. It's just going to be the one for the Gulf of Mexico. I will show y'all the GFS again of what the GFS is showing for the tropical storm for the Gulf of Mexico. Man, this is a humongous time delay for the stream. Like, what is going on? Shouldn't be that off. This is like a whole 2 minutes off. This is weird. Oh, that's why. There we go. I fixed my stream. Okay, we're good. That was weird. That was very confusing. Okay. So y'all can definitely see that. What is going on? Yes. That a tropical storm depression area is around here and gonna be here. There's a very small little guy that hits the east coast of very North Florida. Nothing to worry about for the one for the east coast, but there is a very high worry for the one in the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico tropical storm / hurricane should definitely be closely monitored. If y'all want me to give y'all updates every day on it, or, well, I kind of already am, just let me know in the chat if y'all want me to do that, and if y'all just don't really care about the tropical storm or / hurricane that's supposed to hit Louisiana or Texas, then just, yeah. So yeah. If anybody's new to the stream, we are looking at a hurricane / tropical storm that is supposed to be hitting Texas and Louisiana, and it's actually supposed to go through Mississippi, and yeah. So that's just if y'all are new to the stream. Any questions that y'all have, please ask me in the chat. I don't have very many viewers. It's just pretty much just one person at the moment. But if y'all can, please share. Please share, and yeah. I will be right back. I need to go get something. Oh, my chair wasn't lowering there. Oh my gosh. I'll be right back. Just give me 10 seconds. Okay, I'm back. Oh. Okay. So I'm just gonna kind of highlight the area here. So these two areas, I guess, kind of split in half. Hurricane and then tropical storm. There we go. So yeah, we also have something in the Pacific as well that's actually supposed to hit parts of Mexico, I'm pretty sure. Something forms over here as well. And then obviously the Gulf of Mexico storm and the Atlantic storm. So we have 3 areas of possibilities of the formation actually happening, and then we also have another spin up here in a few a week after this one happens. So yeah, man, that time delay is really off. I hate that time delay. Why do we even have a time delay? That is so weird. Hold on. Sorry, I had to check if my microphone was working, and it seems that it is. So yeah, any area that is shaded or in the black box has a chance of being hit by a tropical storm or a hurricane, including here, I guess. Actually, I don't do that part, never mind. So, in this black box, it will be definitely a major impact. If you all are new to the stream, welcome. We're talking about the tropical storm or slash hurricane that could potentially actually hit Texas and Louisiana. This will technically be a live emergency update for the tropical storm slash hurricane that's supposed to be hitting. So, yeah. No, I actually need to go back. That's kind of weird. Yeah, I think this is going to be closer to the end of the stream. Unless if somebody starts watching it, then I'll continue. But I think I'm going to end the stream here, guys. Alright, I'm going to end the stream now. If y'all have any questions, just say it in the comments after this video goes public, which it already has. But after I'm done with the stream, if you have any questions, just comment on one of my videos, and I will help you from there. That'll be it. Thank you guys for watching, and